Hi there, students. A flagon. A flagon. Okay, for me, a flagon is a jug with a narrow neck and a wide bottom. And this is normally something that they serve wine in or other alcoholic drinks. This is something that you will see particularly in films in the old-fashioned inn or the old-fashioned tavern, where there's normally a young lady who is delivering flagons of wine to drunken men. Okay, and that is a flagon. It's a jug for alcohol. I think a flagon is also, though, it's a bottle with, again, a long neck and a wide bottom, and typically wine was sold in flagons as well. But okay, a flagon, a large vessel, a jug with a handle, made either of metal or pottery, and it's got a spout, and it's often got a lid as well to pour the wine. So the flagon contained exactly 8 cups of wine. Okay, a flagon, a large container in which drink is served, yeah, with a handle and a spout. Now, when in church, when the priest gives bread and wine to the people having communion, the wine is very often kept in a flagon. Yeah, and the flagon, again, is this jug with a large bottom, a neck, maybe a top, and a handle. You could also actually have a flagon of cider. A flagon of cider, it's normally a large stoneware bottle which contains about 2 pints of cider. But a flagon is normally a container for alcohol, particularly a flagon of wine. To me, the collocation of flagon of wine is very common. Bring me another flagon of wine. I can hear this in various different films. Let's see. As to origin, it's related to flasconem. I can hear the word flask there. From Frankish, flaska, a bottle or a flask. Proto-Germanic, flasco. Okay, so flaska, it's related to flagon. It's related to this word, a flask. It comes from the French, flacon. And effectively, there have been flagons for wine for I think probably about 1,000 years or 2,000 years. Okay, so a flagon. Let's see. Nowadays, people don't use flagons. It's probably not a word that you're going to find outside of some film about somebody going into an 18th century bar, an 18th century pub or an inn or something like that. Formality, a flagon. 6.5, 7 in formality. It sounds very poetic, rather romantic. So, yeah, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Bring me another flagon of wine, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Flagon.